Welcome to school 2.
God is not interested in your offering. He's not interested in your burnt offering. If you have cow, don't keep it in your house. If you have goat, don't keep it in your house. But when you have tithe, I say, bring your tithe. Oh. Brother, I am talking about tithe. You just want you even bother to look at me. You're past that. You don't want God to bless you. You need to bring your tithe. Don't mind what Daddy Freeze is saying. Bring tithe to the Lord.
How much be the tithe, sir?
Let me tell you something. Most of the big men you know in this country, all of them, they used to pay tithe.
Now 15 naira, that will be my tithe.
What?
Now 15 naira.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you? You want to pay your tithe?
No, I just want to ask that, is it here that they are paying tithes?
That's where it is now. So this is the most happening place now in this whole area. That's where we are paying tithe now.
But who are you giving the tithes to?
It's God. I used to correct it.
What did God want to use tithe and do? Me, my mommy is big, oh, and she has big tithe. Should we bring big tithe or small tithe?
Your mommy is big.
Yes.
Say. Oh, Baba, you are good to my right. You are so good to me. Your mommy is big. She's big. Tell your mommy that I said big tithe, big blessing.
That man, if you see the way he explained the tithe to me, in fact, he said big tithe, big blessing. I even told him that you are big. So you
told him I'm big?
Yes. Good afternoon.
My dear. Oh, you say you are going to bring your mommy?
Yes, so with the big tithe, big blessing.
Dear God, I'm the one that will need that and pray for you. Father, bless him in the name of Jesus.
Amen. Amen.
Hey, Mama, be helpful.
Chai! Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to hear. You will be ready. School 2.